Hey guys, it's Shamitha and welcome to another video, and today I'll be starting a new sketchbook which I'm super excited for, and also I'll be sharing a few sketchbook tips with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for my sketchbook, I chose to go with the sketchbook from Menora, which I thought is perfect for all my mixed media art. So let's open it up. I love personalizing the inside covers of my sketchbook, and for this one I've come up with some fun ideas. So now I wanted to use a bunch of mixed media for this, so I gathered some watercolors, some color pencils, some brush pens and a black pen for outlining. So now it's time to start sketching. Recently I had come across the Lo-Fi Girl and I really loved the way it looked. So I decided to take it as my inspiration and draw it in the corner of the page. And I'm gonna leave the rest of the page for writing some quotes, the starting and the ending dates of the sketchbook and other stuffs. So now as a tip, I would like to say that always use HB pencils for sketching, because you need to keep your sketch as light as possible so that your rough sketch is not gonna be popping out at the end of your artwork. Anyways, coming back to the sketching, on the other side of my sketchbook page, I'm gonna draw some paint brushes and some color pencils, and I'm gonna leave some space to write my name and other stuffs. So now I'm done with sketching and it's time to start painting it. Also, if you're going to use markers or watercolors, you should make sure your sketchbook has thick enough pages to handle your art. And if you're gonna use your sketchbook as a travel journal sketchbook, then better go with a portable size so that it's easily gonna fit into your bags. So I'm done with the illustrations and now it's time for the writing parts. And now I picked up a quote related to art which I really like, and I'm gonna write it here. And coming to the other page, I'm gonna handletter my name here. And also, if you've not yet watched my video about hand lettering, then do check it out. So finally I'm done with the inside covers of my sketchbook, and I really like the way it turned out. And if you too did like the way it turned out, then please give this video a thumbs up. And that's it for today, and I'll see you in my next video, and until then, bye.